Okay, good afternoon. In this tutorial, I'm going to show us how to add a product. Okay, a product. So the first we'll do is come down to add product. Click add product here, and then you load your product image from here. Okay, now I already have my product saved somewhere, so I call it up. Now, the next I will do is to add the name of the product. Let me get where I save the name of the product. This is a name of a product. Now, what category is the product? I believe this should be makeup, right? So bear with me if it is not, but just use it. Then what brand? I think that should be this brand because I just got it from somewhere on the web. Now, what is my price there? My price is 45,000. Now, please note, I did not add comma here, so no need for comma. Now, the next is, do you want to add kind of a discount? Right? And again, too, please note, we are trying to see if we can put up this product in US dollar, right? But for those of us in Nigeria and the African countries that may be watching this later on, we'll still decide if you prefer it in Naira or in your own African currency. We can always customize that. But because our intention is for the system to be used globally with just one currency, that's why we're trying to leave it at dollar. Now we're also working with Paystack here in Nigeria to see the possibility of making the conversion from Naira to dollar easy. But if it doesn't work out, then we'll have no choice but to return it back to Naira for those of us in Nigeria, except if you have a PayPal account where your payment can be made straight to dollar. Okay, so the next I will add is a description. I'll just copy it from where it is, and then you can always copy and paste or you type. Okay, now if I have other product of these product as in other images, I can always add, but I think from where I got it, it's just only one. Let me see if I don't know. I think there's only one I'm seeing here. There's only one. So, but if you have more images, you can always use this to add other images of the same product. So you can have multiple image for one product. Okay. So the next I will do is leave this as it is. Do not click anything here. Right. Do not click anything here. So the next thing I will do is click on add product. It will save it and then to call up where you add your inventory. Right? So what is the cost price? The cost price may be 40 or whatever you want to put there. And then you see automatically it called up the product here. So please don't change this because it's referring to the very product you added. Now this is your inventory. So you added maybe whatever quantity you bought, you put it here. Because at initial it comes out at 0, but once you add here, it will not add up. So here you select your date of purchase, and maybe if it has an expiry date, you enter here. But for now, this has no expiry date, so I will leave it at a default the way it is. Now the other level, what that means is what quantity should it get to before you start getting details about notification about reordering, right? Now if you have more details regarding this product, you can add here. but I don't think I have, so I'll just quickly click add to inventory. Okay, now I've added this product to inventory, as you can see here, right? I've added it to inventory. So if I go back to my page, as you can see it now, right? Whatever name is, sales price is 45 and I have 20 in stock. Now to open it, that's it here, right? So I'm sure this is quite easy to follow, right? If you have issues, please get in touch with us and we'll give you the offer you want. Sorry, the support you need. Thank you so much, and thank you for using my beauty gallery.